Hello. I would really like you all to get used to a command called as man or manual. So it's your friend. It's your friend, and you'll get to know, get to learn so many things about it. So many things about many commands. So let's say for example, right? You already know a command called as ls, right? So if you just say man and then ls, you'll find out what are the different options and what are their meanings for the command ls, right? So if I just keep on pressing, you'll see that there are so many things to learn, right? Okay, now if you just say q, then it will quit from the manual. So again, man, let's say cd. Yeah, there is no manual entry for cd, probably because it's too simple, a simple command. Let's try man mkdir, right? It says mkdir and blah blah blah, right? There are so many things. Again, just type q, it will come out of it, right? Now the interesting thing that I wanted to show you is that you already tried, let's say, gcc command, right? And then by default it created a binary called as a.out. But what if you don't want to create a binary named a.out? Instead of that, you want to create a binary called as, say, namaste for hello world, right? So if you just say man gcc, right, then it will, it will give you that option, minus o output file name, right? So q, now this is what I'm going to do: gcc space minus o namaste, right? And my, the program that I already written is hello.c, right? And then enter. Okay. Now, if I do ls minus l, you'll see that a.out was created long ago when I tried to compile it last time. So it was 740, and this is the one which was created just now actually, right? Namaste. Yeah. So how do I know it is just now? I can just type in date command. Yeah. If I type in date command, you'll see that this is 9:30. Yeah, August 11. This is 21:29, right? So just almost a minute ago. Okay. So if I do this dot slash namaste, enter, yeah, it did the same thing. So see, it was so easy for me to, create a binary by a different name, right? And of course, I could have done it in a different way also, by the way, right? Like for example, let me remove rm namaste. Okay, this rm command, of course, I don't need to tell you, you have to be very careful, right? So rm namaste, enter, right? Now what I could have done is, without using gc minus o, right, I could have done this, yeah, ls minus l here, a dot out, and I could have said mv a dot out to namaste. Yeah, same thing, right? But then why go, like, roundabout it, uh, with it, if you can use a minus o option. And I did it this time because I wanted to teach you the rm command. I wanted to teach you the mv command. Mv is like a rename command actually, me move or rename. And of course, as the name suggests, move, you can move from, you don't need to just rename the file, but you can also move it to a different folder altogether, right? Then also, when you're using rm command, right, I suggest that always use rm minus I. Yeah, namaste. So when you say I, then at that time it will ask you if you really want to delete or not, right? So if I just press enter, it won't get deleted, right? It is still there. Okay, unless or until I say why. So then what is that minus I option? Okay, man rm. Okay, so if you do my man rm, it says minus I is prompt before every removal. Yeah, so this way, like, the man command is really your friend, and you should keep on asking that man command for, like, the details of any command and what are the different options that are available. I mean, just don't overdo it actually. Don't overdo it, because there are tons of options there, like for every command, and you don't really, like, use all of those right from the start, right? So, but just to get a hang of it, that in case you need something, that command already might be providing it, you just have to, get used to it. Now there are quite a few interesting things that you can do here. You can kind of series, you put the commands in series actually. So what do I mean by put the commands in series? Let me do this. Okay, now let's say I want to not just compile hello.c, but immediately after that I want to run it. Okay, so let me first get rid of namaste file. Yeah, so there is nothing here. Yeah, so what I can do is gcc minus o namaste hello.c, right? And after that, what I want to do is that after it compiles, I don't want to get the prompt and then again say dot slash namaste. No, what I want to do is that immediately I want to run it. So you can put in a semicolon here, and you can say dot slash namaste. Yeah, enter. Right, see, so it compiled also, and it immediately after that it ran also. So this semicolon is kind of a, it separates these two commands, but then it will run like all these commands in like one like like one line. Yeah, so these are the different things which are very very useful, and you can keep on playing around. Thank you.